Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cast one screen to the another laptop screen. So normally these situations comes when we are working in lockdown. We have office laptop, we have personal laptop, but in the office we have adapted ourselves to work in two screens, and in the home we wanted to work in the same way, but we do not have any extra screen, right? Only personal laptop. So in this case we can solve it without using internet, without using any wi-fi, without using any network, without using any wire connection between two laptops. Yes, Windows 10 having its own feature. So let's start. So before that you need to go to first to connect. You open this control panel. Okay, from here someone might be getting this kind of view, so you need to click on expand. Okay, so click on connect here. Okay, so when you click on connect, so you will see this projecting to this PC. Okay, so you need to go to there, and you can see this advanced settings for projecting to this PC available everywhere. You need to click it in these settings, available everywhere. It's going to ask for confirmation, so you will find it later on. I'll show you. Require pin. So just since it is my personal laptop, so I'm just giving never, or I can do first time. Let's say it's first time. Okay, this PC can be discovered for projection only when it's plugged in. So guys, you need to see it. You should always turn it off, otherwise you need to power off. If you are doing on, then for someone it is problem that it is not detecting. So for them it is recommended go and check the setting, turn it off, it will show. Okay, so we are done with setting here. Now we'll go to second laptop and we'll see here. Then we'll again go to project, no sorry, connect. Okay, yeah, so see here it came, so I need to connect this. Okay, so it is asking for pin. Okay, allow. It is showing pin here 4141817745. I'm to connect. See guys, now it's connected. No, I'll open notepad. So you hello world. This is the very first thing we will learn in programming. So we can move to next screen. So that's it for today. But remember one thing, in the setting you need to turn off the search always on the power plugged in. So for many this is a problem. So how to go to that setting, I will show you again. Okay, so you need to go here, connect. Okay, projecting to this PC. Okay, then this PC can discovered for projection only when it is plugged in to a power source. So you need to turn it off, then it will display.